Hello my beautiful people, welcome to MercyBeauty of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video guys, I'm going to take you on a shop along with me. I have a video collaboration coming up with one of my beautiful YouTube sisters. So I just wanted to see if I can find something beautiful, something that I don't have. So I wanted to add extra glam, extra fancy, extra everything. It's for her wedding, so she asked us to do video black and white. So I just wanted to see if I can find something I don't know, extra. Okay guys, I'm going to let you enjoy the video, so make sure to watch the video till the end, and please come back to see what I bought, and I will display whatever I can find here on the next video collaboration that coming very soon. Okay guys, I'm going to let you enjoy the video. I hope to see you on the next one, and keep on watching.
You can lose yourself and your faith will come washing up on shore. And I've been here before, I think I've told you. Alright, starlight, say what you will, say what you want. I won't grow up, I will come around. Say what you feel, say anything. I'ma hold on till I can't let go. Be my fire, take my hand. You wanna stay in the promised land where all the things you want to feel you are. Chase that morning, close your eyes. You wanna wake up where there's no goodbyes, and all your numbered days return to one. So I'll just stop and say what you will, 'cause I'm saying